My name is Alexandra Nechita. I'm Romanian and I have attended the International School of Monza where I have done my IB certifications. I found out about SUMAS when doing research about a bachelor degree that combines both economics and sustainability because I have a deep love for nature and a deep passion for economics. I think the link between economics and sustainability with the bachelor degree is helping me a lot through my future career values to become an entrepreneur. And SUMAS has helped me a lot through the multiple group activities and group projects that we had. For example, at Aragon, also known as 18 Villages, that combines eco-lodges and sustainability together to create a better traveling experience. My favorite course is Business and Biodiversity because we get to learn the environmental impacts of certain businesses and how to avoid being like one of them, and rather to create a sustainable business and a circular economy. In SUMAS, there's a lot of deep connections and meaningful friendships. That's the thing that I value the most, especially in my lifestyle now that I'm here in Milan. There's a lot of bars and there's a lot of nightlife here. I enjoy going out with my friends and go shopping or go for an aperitivo. I also love the fact that Milan is full of good networks and connections with other places, so it's a great place to just have a short travel and just enjoy time with your friends and family.